Marcus and Angela started at the same company 9 years ago, both earning $42,000. Today, at 32, they both make $71,000. But their financial outcomes are completely different. Marcus has $14,000 saved. Angela has over $100,000. Confused, Marcus asked how she got so far ahead with the same income. Angela gave a simple answer. She focused on reaching her first $100,000 as fast as possible. After that, everything changed. Marcus didn't believe it until she showed him the math. Angela hit $100,000 at age 29. In the 3 years since, she contributed $18,000, but her account grew by $38,000. The market added more money than she did. Her money started working harder than she was. Marcus, on the other hand, contributed about $18,000 over 9 years, but still has only $14,000 because he keeps withdrawing and keeps most of it in low-return savings. He never reached the point where compounding takes over. That's the rule. The first $100,000 is everything. Most people think wealth grows linearly. Save $10,000 a year, and after 10 years, you'll have $100,000. But wealth actually grows exponentially. In the early years, progress feels slow. Then, suddenly, it accelerates. The turning point happens around $100,000. Before that, you do most of the work. After that, your money does. For example, Marcus with $14,000 contributes $2,000 and earns about $1,100 from the market. He's doing most of the work. Angela, with $100,000, contributes $6,000 but earns over $8,000 from the market. The money is doing more than she is. That's the shift. Angela understood this early. From ages 23 to 29, she saved aggressively, about $12,000 per year, living far below her means. It felt slow and frustrating at first. After 3 years, she had $40,000. Most of it came from her contributions, not returns. But she stayed consistent. By year 6, she crossed $100,000. After that, everything changed. Even when she reduced her contributions, her portfolio kept growing faster because of compounding. Marcus never got there. He saved inconsistently, withdrew often, and never prioritized investing. He stayed stuck in the slow phase. Time makes this even more powerful. Angela hit $100,000 at 29. With 36 years of compounding at 8%, that grows to about $1.7 million by retirement, even if she never adds another dollar. Marcus won't hit $100,000 until around 47. With only 18 years left, that grows to about $400,000. Same income, same effort, a $1.3 million difference just because Angela started earlier. That's the cost of delay. Marcus spent his 20s upgrading his lifestyle, cars, vacations, better housing. Angela did the opposite. She lived cheaply, saved aggressively, and invested everything she could. She sacrificed 6 years and bought financial freedom. Marcus avoided sacrifice and will pay for it with decades of work. The key strategies aren't complicated. Save aggressively, 20% of income. Invest consistently, not occasionally. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401k and Roth IRA. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Invest raises instead of spending them. Stay invested in growth assets like stocks. Never withdraw early. Most importantly, treat your investments as untouchable. The hardest part is psychological. Early on, it feels like nothing is happening. You sacrifice now but see little reward. That's why most people quit before reaching $100,000. But that slow phase is the price of admission. Once you cross it, compounding takes over and everything gets easier. In the end, the difference between Marcus and Angela wasn't income or intelligence. It was understanding this rule and acting on it. The first $100,000 is the only one that feels impossible. After that, wealth builds itself. You can delay and struggle later, or go all in now and change your entire financial future.